of you don't know Canva, I'm sharing this link in the chat box. Okay, you simply go and open your account there. It's a free account. Click on that link and open your free account. I'm sharing my screen. I already have an account, so I'm waiting for those who already have an account. You can open your account. Those who don't have an account, open your account. It's a free account. It's very easy to use creatives for making your creatives. Drag and drop product, very easy. User interface is very easy. You can design anything from presentations to social media posts to creating your videos. Okay, lot of for Instagram posts, they have the specific sizes of picture that you need to create. If you want to create a poster, even you can create your own Zoom virtual background using this. Your presentations in slide deck format, you can make infographics, logos, cards, lots to explore here. Okay, so now what you generally need, like this kind of creative that you see that I have made, right? The one that I play in the music. How many of you already know how to get that kind of a creative along with the music? Do you know you can add music and videos using Canva to your graphic file? Let's look at how we can make our creatives using Canva. Few of them. So generally what I do is any tool, when you want to learn, simply open the interface and just click on each of the buttons and see what they do. Okay, that is the best way to understand the various features of the tool. So let's go back to home and let's create. There are many things I have created here. In fact, the trailer video of my if you have seen my course, the end video which I play, I have made that using Canva. Okay, so this one has been made using the hack. This one has been made using the hack that I'm talking about. This is done professionally. These are all professional. This one is professional. These are the ones when I started last year, I made on my own using Canva. So I'm directly going to teach you something like this, because this is what is going to help you. Okay, so there are a lot of features, but I'm just going to focus on something which you can, which you need. And a lot of people use only plain like this kind of an image, but I would like to teach you how to do the 3D boxes kind of a thing, not knowing Photoshop or other tools, graphic designing tools, simply using Google and Canva. Okay. So YouTube thumbnail also, right? So let's take this. We'll take one of these as a, this is the, even for Facebook post and all, you can use these, because it gives you the exact size that is needed, right? Earlier, I used to be having this kind of, earlier last year when I started, I used to be having this kind of images on my teachable products. Okay. 30 days offline to online blueprint, how to create your online presence. Like this, I would have the this kind of this is how I created my first set of creatives for teachable. Okay, so I will show you one of them how I created. I'm going to create it here only at the end. So just select one of the backgrounds. There is an option here, background. You can, if you want a plain background, you can choose a plain background like this, or you can have a colored background or some textured background. Okay, there are free ones and there are paid ones. So whatever is free, you can choose that, and they have good number of options in free as well, right? Say I like this, right? So now, or even this is very nice, right? So it depends on what is your need, plain color, solid color. So now once you have chosen your background, or you can keep it white as well. Now we need to add something, some pictures or images to it, right? So I generally have a lot of uploads. So how you upload media, if you have already something on your phone, your pictures or anything, just simply go there. Click, it can be on your Facebook or Google Drive or Instagram or Dropbox. Say mine is on the device, for example. I'm going to close. So say I want to upload my logo. Okay. So I'm just going to click that. I'll get my logo in here. Okay, this is my background. This is my logo for my company, Social Venture Solution. If I want to use it, I want to reduce the size. Okay, I'll use it. Now I want you, I have uploaded a lot of my pictures here. So now I like, say this picture of mine here, right? So now I don't want any other content here. I just want my picture. So simply I can just crop it like this. It's very easy, just drag and drop kind of a thing and simply crop it. I don't want the other thing. I simply want my picture here. So now there are some of the, I'll also show you one more tool, how to remove the background of your images. Suppose there is a link, remove.background, okay, a remove.bg. This is the link. How many of you are already aware of this product, remove.bg? Remove the background of your images. Right. So you click on this upload image. Yeah, now I have it downloaded in my system. Right. I'm going to choose one more image. Well, I'll remove the background. Say this one. Okay, so I got the background is removed. I'm going to download it. I can download HD also as well. Full image, but now the pixel is reduced. So now it is asking for some money if you want to have some better clarity and all. Okay, get this image for free. You'll have to create an account. So I don't want to do that, but these are the options you can do. Or it also used to give an option to edit the background. So this option edit is there, right? So now I want some other background. Okay, I don't like my current background, and if I want some other background, see, these are the different backgrounds it created. Look at this one. Right now I can say blur it. See, right, I can keep changing the background. It gives me a lot of options. If I don't like that one, I'm going to take something else, say this one. And then if I want to blur the background, it is in the blur format, or it can be the whatever is the, you know, this is full picture. Now I don't want the background to be highlighted. I want to blur it. So the opacity, how much blur is required, right? And then you can download it. Right now, once you have downloaded it, you go back to Canva. Go back to Canva. Right. And now we will have to upload that. So now we are going to upload the media. I think I already uploaded those two. The blurred one I didn't download. The other one I didn't download, I think. The third one I didn't download. Anyways, we have these two. Let me see if I've already uploaded them. I got them, right? So now I like to take this picture. I double click, so it is coming twice. Now it does not look great on this. So let me take the red colored picture. Okay. And then I can enlarge it, reduce its size the way I want. Okay. Make it something like this, right? The way you can just use it the way you want. If this logo is not needed anymore, we'll not use it. Now we want to put some good text here, so we can add a heading. So it gives us an option to choose the heading, and then you can play with the font and color and theme, right? It is go online, grow online, or whatever is my topic. Now I like this font, but if I want to change the color or reduce the size or increase the size, you have this here, top right here. And if I want to give a different font size, say I want to see how does this look. Okay, this font, how does it look? Now I want it in one line, so I will have to reduce the size. Right, so you can get very creative with Canva. Okay, I don't like this font, it's too bright, so I'm going to change it to something else and see how it looks. Yeah, maybe this is fine. I want to change the color of the text. I want to make it blue. Here it is the text button. You just simply go and make it blue, or whatever color you prefer. Maybe say red. Okay, so how to choose the background, how to choose a headline. The text is here on the left side. There are various templates to choose from. So if you don't want to want a plain background, you can simply choose any of the. I just deleted, it was already yellow because I just copied from there. I added a page, it takes the previous background, but now I like something like this. Okay, so I like this, so I may just simply use this. Now if I want to I have some more features to talk. So choosing the background, to giving a headline, uploading your picture, okay, creating something completely from scratch, or using a ready to use template. Okay, again, just simply I want to change my company name here. I will just say Social Venture Solutions. Okay, and maybe today's date, 18 June 2021. And are you ready? I may just make a creative and send this to you, or I want to make this as a music. I want to add music to this. Okay, so you go look, see all the features are available on the left side here. Okay, so click on more, and there is an option for audio. Okay, so now this is pro. So we'll have to see which is free audios. Wherever this crown thing is there, this is paid. So if you use that, you will have to pay as you use. Okay, or you can also upload your own music. The way we have uploaded picture, you can upload your own music. Okay, so for example, that high energy music I uploaded already, so it should be there in my uploads, in my audio. That high energy music that I play, I've already downloaded that from internet, and I uploaded here, and then I applied it here. But if you want to use the ready stock, which is available here for videos, or for if you see, I have let me finish the music part, then I will talk about the video. I'll go back to music. So whatever in stock videos, audios are here, you can use them. So this is paid, this is paid, this is free. So let's apply. First you can hear. So I'm going to use it. Once you double click it, it becomes usable. Okay, now this no music, or you want to just have less sound, you can just have that as well. Now you have to download what you prepared, right? So this is because I used a file which has multiple pages. I can download the entire file. Like I can simply download this page 24. So click on this download button on your top right. Okay, now because there are some music and video, it is saying recommended format is that, but I only want a PNG or a JPG file, and I don't want all the 25 files that I have here. I just want page number 24. Okay, so I just click on page 24 like this, and I just say done, and I say download. That's all. Okay, there are many features, but we don't have to go into the details of every feature. You have to explore this on your own by creating things. You will learn a lot. There is no harm in trying. You're not going to lose anything. Some things will work for you, some things will not work for you. Okay, just see what happens when you click this, what happens when you click that. Now if you want some elements, right? So for example, I want to create a underline here, right? I want a line here, I want a line. So I'm looking for in elements, I am looking for line. So now I'm just saying, I'm going to say lines. Line, I got line. Now I want to use this one, right? So I got the line here, but I don't like the color, and I want to change the color. I want to change its length or whatever. I want to make it small, big, whatever, whatever is your need. And just simply double click, and you can, this is a black line. All the options to change the color font appears here. This part, if you can see, I want to make it blue. So now my line has become blue, right? So this is how you add text, how you upload your stuff. Look at the elements. The templates are default built-in templates. Audio is music. Videos, if you want to add some video, we will see. Okay, so so now for this one, I added some music here. Okay, so now I want to download this as a MP slide. It is saying MP4 video. So because I think when the format that I chose was a video, so let us take that, or simply a GIF file also you can create. I just want, this is slide number 25. So I'll unselect everything and just go and select only this 25, so slide number 25, and just say done. I wanted MP3 here more than MP4, but that option is not there here. Just an audio file, because we're working on already, there's a lot more happening on, because I didn't take a plain file, but if you take a plain file, it will give you that option. Okay. It depends, like, you have to explore and what is going with your with the text. So generally in their suggested templates, the fonts they use are the fonts which are good to go. Unless you want to change it, you can stick to the font they are suggesting if you're using a ready to go template. Okay. So now, did we download that? Let me see if we downloaded that. I don't think we downloaded slide 25. I don't even remember, it was a paid template. So okay, we didn't download, it's downloading. Okay. So now let's go and look at the downloads folder. So we got this. This is simple, straightforward, no-brainer PNG file. Right. And then this is our video. Let's see. It basically, we only added the audio, but because of my other files, it will play like, because I just kept 5 seconds. I stopped at one particular point, but it was a 2-minute audio. So you can trim and use that.